What's up guys, Yogesh here from Untitled Chapter. Are you looking for a high ticket affiliate program that is good for you as affiliate and also for the person who's actually buying that product, be it digital or physical? If the answer is yes, this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you my secret strategy, what I look for in a high ticket affiliate program, and which is the one program that I'm currently promoting it to my audience. Let's go. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm just going to go through what I look for in a high ticket affiliate program and my secret strategy, picking a program and how easy it is to promote that program once you find the one that it's good. And stick around till the end of the video. I'm actually going to tell you the name of the program that I'm currently promoting to my audience, and it follows the same steps to looking for high ticket affiliate programs. It's worthwhile to stick till the end of the program, and it might be interested to you who are looking to get into a high ticket affiliate program. Now, plain and simple, why high ticket affiliate program? As an affiliate marketer, the high ticket or low ticket, it does take a similar amount of time and effort on your part to get an earning or a commission on that product. So would you rather get an earning on a product which is $1,000 or more per sale, or a product where you're making about anywhere from $10 to $20 as a low-end offers and spending same amount of time? In order for you to make $2,000, $3,000 income a month, you're looking to just sell 3 or 4 of these rather than selling in volumes, maybe 20 or 30. It's easier to sell a high ticket program once you find the one that's a winner in my book. So the first and most important thing that I look for in an affiliate program is the company reputable. What's the sort of reputation this company have it, because somebody is going to be buying a high ticket item. A person is going to look at whatever product they're buying, which company is the company good. And second important thing is ease of entry. So for example, if you have somebody that you're trying to sell $1,000, it's much easier for the person to start at $7, $10, and then go up to $1,000 once they get note the product it is or the company they're getting involved in. So what I'm getting is low offer entry at the start, and then let the company do all the hard work for you. Because in order for a person as an affiliate or yourself selling a high ticket item, you have to be on the phone with them. You have to talk to them person to person. Now, some people are comfortable with it, but I know a lot of people are uncomfortable talking over the phone. They don't want to get over the phone and actually pick up the phone and talk to the person. What about affiliate offers where you actually have a company doing all that for you? All you gotta do is bring people or traffic or audience of people who are actually looking for the product that they're selling it, and let the company do that on your behalf. Once they are successful, you get the credit of bringing that person to that company. Now, on the online, there's so many high ticket affiliates offers that you can search on and actually can find a way. One more important thing that I look at for after a company is the ease of entrance to, or what is their front end offer. If their front end offer is a low ticket offer, which is anywhere from $1 to $2 to $10 or less, likelihood of that person investing in that front end low end offer and then going in and buying the high ticket later on, much better chance of you making a commission rather than showing the high end product, which is $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, whatever it is, right at the start of the person is getting to know the company which is selling it. So the likelihood of then that person going and buying that is really, really low. So that's the second thing I look for. Look for a company which has a high ticket offer on the back end and low ticket in the front end, so there are a lot of people that at least will be willing to try it, right? So that's the second thing I look at it. Third thing which is the most important thing I look at it, is company that you're going to be promoting it, high ticket item. Are they looking after their affiliates, people like just like you and me, who are actually investing from their own pocket, driving traffic, showing this offers to the audience? Are they taking care of you? And at the same time, are they also taking care of their customers, people who are buying their products? So you look at all that, and if you can find a company that fits into it, you have winner, and you can actually it's much easier to promote that, start getting the high ticket affiliate offers. So why don't I flip into the back end of the program that I'm actually promoting it right now, and I'm really excited about it. So there are two programs that I'm promoting it right now, which are considered a high ticket, but does have a low ticket offer in the front, so that easier for people to get into that program. The first one is Legendary Marketer, and the second one is the Clickfunnels. And probably most of the people watching this video have heard it. If not, give me about 5 minutes or so. I'm going to go through it, both of these programs. Okay, so the program that I was talking about is Legendary Marketer. For the people who wants to get into the Legendary Marketer, be as an affiliate, so they can sell their high ticket program, or people who actually wants to learn online marketing, how does online marketing works, how they can promote other people's product as an affiliate, educate them how to sell it online. So they have a 15-day online builder challenge. Now the cost of this is $7. Remember, I was saying it low end thing, so $7, but you learned it every day in, day out for the next 15 days. You learn it, different strategies to use actually from David Sharp mindset, and what exactly online marketing is. So basically on your mindset and how to sell products on online, and how to sell high ticket items. After you finish the first 4 days, then you actually have a scheduled one-on-one call with the business coach. The business coach actually helps you to see if you are the person who wants to get into the online marketing and what to expect from that. So it's easier. Now they do have other courses, low offer for people to come in, and after that they do have the high-end products where they sell is their mastermind, their business blueprint and all that, and where you can get the commission of anywhere from $1,000 and up. So it is one of the program that I really like it. The company is amazing. They stand behind their affiliates and the product. So highly recommend to go in if you are looking for high ticket items. Join in the Legendary Marketer. Link will be here below for the 15-day business builder program. Second high-end ticket item that a program that I'm promoting it's Clickfunnels. So the Clickfunnels again does have a really low-end offer where it's easy for people to come and join the Clickfunnel. So they do have their books, which is written by Clickfunnels co-CEO Russell Brunson. He has 3 books out there, and each is you can get it free, but you just have to pay for shipping. So if you're within US, it's I believe $7.99 or $9.99. I could be wrong, but I do have a link where you can check it out. And if it's international, it's close to $15 or more. So that's the way for people to come in and be part of the Clickfunnels. Now the other way is also they do have a 14-day free trial where they actually can go and get into their software, which can help you in building sales funnel if you want to get into building a sales funnel for your business or designing for somebody else. So those are the two programs that I promoted. They're pretty good, and from affiliate sites also, and from there. Now the links will be below for you if anybody interested in these programs wants to join in Clickfunnels or Legendary Marketer. So that's it, guys. Hopefully, if you want to get into a high ticket item, these are the two programs that I recommend. Get into it, and If you're still watching this video, that means you like this, and what you can do is subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and like this video, hit the notification button so you can get notified for the next video. Thanks guys.